Aquatic plants. Aquatic life is the plants and flowers which grow and live in an aquatic environment, whether in fresh water or salt water. Some of the aquatic plants are soft hornwort. Soft hornwort is a submerged, free-floating aquatic plant. It is found in countries in Europe, Central Asia, Northern Africa and scattered places like tropical Africa, Turkey etc. Marchantials. Marchantials is a widespread plant often found beside rivers. It is a common and often troublesome weed in moist, temperate gardens and greenhouses. Yellow iris. Yellow iris is a species of flowering plant of the family Iridaceae. It is native to Europe, Western Asia, and Northwest Africa. It has a prominently veined mid-ribbon sword-like shape. The plant was rated second for per day nectar production per flower in the UK. It is poisonous to both human and animals, if eaten. Sacred lotus. Sacred lotus is one of two extant species of aquatic plants in the Nelumbonaceae family. It is often colloquially called the water lily. This aquatic perennial may remain viable for many years, with the oldest recorded lotus germination being from that of seeds 1,300 years old. This flower is the national flower of India and Vietnam. Common water hyacinth. Common water hyacinth is an aquatic plant native to the Amazon basin, and is often a highly problematic invasive species outside its native range. Hence, the species can cause harm to the environment, as well as to health of humans outside its range. Arrowheads. The arrowhead plant is native to a wide region of Latin America from Mexico to Bolivia. It is naturalized in the West Indies, Florida, Texas, Hawaii, and other places. Some leaves are almost entirely white, pink or yellow. All parts of the plant are poisonous and cause severe mouth pain if eaten. Whitewater rose. Whitewater rose is an aquatic flowering plant. It is native to North Africa, temperate Asia, Europe and India. It grows in water bodies like lakes and ponds, which have deep water. The flowers are white and they have many small stamens inside. Water lettuce. Water lettuce was first discovered from the Nile near Lake Victoria in Africa. It has thick, soft leaves that form a rosette. It floats on the surface of the water, its roots hanging submerged beneath floating leaves. Lemme. Lemme is a rapidly growing plant. It has found use as a model system for studies in community ecology, basic plant biology and as a source of animal feeds for agriculture and aquaculture. Salvinia. Salvinia is a floating fern named in honor of Anton Maria Salvini, a 17th-century Italian scientist. Watermoss is a common name for Salvinia. It has creeping stems, branched, bearing hairs on the leaf surface papally but no true roots. Azolla. Azolla are extremely reduced in form and specialized, and look nothing like other typical ferns. Azolla has been used for at least 1,000 years in rice paddies as a companion plant. Wolffia. Wolffia species are free-floating green, or yellow-green, and without roots. The flower is produced in a depression on the top surface of the plant body. It has one stamen and one pistil. They have historically been collected from the water and eaten as a vegetable in much of Asia. Chara. Chara are multicellular. They superficially resemble land plants because of stem-like and leaf-like structures. They are found in fresh water, particularly in limestone areas. They are covered with calcium carbonate deposits and are commonly known as stoneworts. Hydrilla. It is native to the cool and warm waters of Asia, Africa and Australia. Hydrilla has high resistance to salinity compared to many other freshwater-associated aquatic plants. Rhizophora. Rhizophora is a genus of tropical mangrove trees, sometimes collectively called true mangroves. Rhizophora species generally live in intertidal zones which are inundated daily by the ocean. It can elevate above water and allow itself to respire oxygen even while their lower roots are submerged. Java moss. Java moss does not require any special attention. It accepts all kinds of water, even weakly brackish, and all kinds of light qualities. Java moss can also provide food for newly formed fish, which can be challenging to feed. Anubias. Anubia is a semi-aquatic flowering plant of the Araceae family, native to tropical, Central and Western Africa. They primarily grow in rivers and streams, but can also be found in marshes. They are characterized by broad, thick, dark leaves that come in many different forms.